So the next window type we're going to look at is the casement window. So over to the Windows menu and choosing the casement option, I'm going to click and drag out the width of my window. Release to now drag and set the depth. Left mouse click to set that, and then drag up to create my window height, and right click to accept that. With the object still selected, I'm going to come over to the modify panel. Now the parameters are very similar to the awning window that we created in the last video. I can change the height, width and depth and adjust the frame parameters and the glazing parameters itself. Now the difference here is really the hinge. Rather than have the hinge at the top of the window, it's down the side, and I can adjust the opening value and also flip the swing to the opposite hinge as well. So very similar to the awning window. The only real difference is the position of the hinge, and the door opens, the window opens rather, from the side of the frame rather than from the top.